How to create slow motion effect in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Mobile. Import your video. Then click on your video in the timeline. After you've clicked on the video in the timeline, at the bottom, click on Speed. Then click on Normal, and then drag your circle below 1x. Drag it wherever you want. And then at the bottom, in Make It Smoother, you'll find different options. Select the one you prefer. I'm simply selecting Make It Smoother. Then press on the tick mark. After you do that, you're good to go. As you can see, slow motion effect has been created. And this is how to create slow motion effect in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.